Well, hi friends, it's Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fun Fold Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Friends for Life stamp set as well as the Celebrate Love Mix and Match ephemera pack. Also including a little berry burst ink, and I got some iridescent striped trim as well. So I do have some sticky notes here. You're more than welcome to take a screenshot of the screen and copy them down, or the easier method would be to go into the description box below, and there's a link to my blog where you can go to the page and just download the actual PDF. So this vellum piece is 2 1/4 by 8 1/2. I end up trimming it down to about 6 1/2, but I did score it at 4 1/4. So right now it's in half, but one end I'm going to trim up about 2 inches or so. It was just too long for the card. So my card base is 8 by 4 1/4, scored at 1 1/4 and 1 7/8. Now, honestly, if you wanted to do this exact, you could just flip it around and do 1 1/4 and 1 7/8. But if you're lazy like me, I will tell you, you're going to score at 6 1/8 and 6 3/4. So it's a very simple card. We're going to fold it now. So I'm folding the edges towards me. So it is creating a valley. This is the front of the card we're working on. And then the next fold is going to be a mountain. So we are going to make a peak. So it's valley, mountain, mountain, valley. Does that make sense? Just do whatever you're doing on one side equal to the other side. All right, there's a whole bunch of papers here. This is what makes the card. So I didn't introduce the cardstock. We are working with peach pie cardstock. And it's because there's a hint of it in this beautiful flower paper. It's called Bloom Impressions. It is a free celebration item. So for Canadians, if you spend $75, you will get a thing for free. And I like free things. As you know, anybody who shops with me gets a free card kit. And if it's over a $50 shop, I give out a free thing too. Little free product, whatever you want. But anyway, I digress. I put some adhesive on the back there. You saw me cut about 2 inches off. And so I'm just taking the fold, finding the middle of the card, and voila, we are adhering the vellum, which Stampin' Up doesn't sell anymore, but I'm sure you have some in your stash. Or, you know what, you can just stroll on to Staples. I've seen packets of vellum at Staples, and it's perfectly fine. So, yeah, enjoy. It's not contraband, but I always call it contraband. I have oodles of vellum, so I'm going to continue using it. Okay, so here is the designer series paper, which is called, again, Bloom Impressions, free with purchase during celebration. And this designer series paper that I'm putting on the card, the two sides are 1 inch wide and 4 inches tall. And then the inside piece is 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. And I did end up using that little piece of white too, which was 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. Oh, I might have screwed that up. So the DSP is 4 by 4 on both sides. And then the white is 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. Sorry to confuse. All right, so this is the Celebrate Love Mix and Match ephemera pack. So I don't do a lot of Valentines. I don't have a sweetheart yet. I'm still hoping, crossing my fingers. Say a prayer for me. And for all you single girls, I hear you. Valentine's Day isn't fabulous. So anyway, I don't spend a lot of money on my Valentine's Day stamps or anything. So I thought I would invest in this Celebrate Love ephemera pack because, oh my gosh, look at that heart. It is the perfect color for this card. And then that overlay, so cute. So I have here my tweezers from the Embossing Editions toolkit. I've used my silicone mat and spread my glue very thinly on it. I tapped that die cut into the glue, and then I can just adhere the what would you call it, a die piece, the ephemera on top of the heart. I love it. I love it. So cute. I am cutting my flower in half, my flower stem. I'm going to adhere it to my sentiment piece. Oh, and by the way, that shape is the second from the middle die in the nested essential die packs. I love that die, those dies as well. What I've done here is put a little bit of adhesive on the heart, and I'm going to put that up in the top right corner. Now I'm going to put that iridescent stripe trim in the back. There's lots of components going on here, and I figured that's what we would do because it's such a simple card. So I'm putting adhesive on the back, and you can see the back is quite messy now. So I do have another nested essential die that's going to cover the back side of that. So the vellum flips up, so you can write, if you wanted to make this a Valentine's, you could write a secret little message on the inside, which I kind of like. I like that. Oh geez, I'm a romantic and don't tell anybody, but I do kind of like that. You know, secret message, whatever. I'm just leaving it blank because I have no secret message. Boring. But so I did put I did sort of trim off that flower, the stem part, and I am putting that on the inside just with the little glue dots. And then what I felt was necessary was some Wink of Stella over that lacy die cut ephemera. And I thought it was necessary. So we went with Wink of Stella. And that is my card for today. So we are using, again, the Bloom's Impressions Designer Series paper, the Celebrate Love Mix and Match ephemera kit, and of course, the Friends for Life stamp set. Thank you so much for watching, for liking, for commenting, for subscribing. I appreciate you so much. Bye for now.